Well, ladies and gentlemen, today's little adventure brought Tricky Bricky back out in the nature again. Today I'm walking along the coastline. I'm going somewhere called Three Cliffs, again to get some drone footage. So yeah, this should be good. There we are, look, some of that. Nice. Big cow, go and go. Nice day for it. Right, I'm on location again. Another spot, about 25 miles down the road from the last one. This place is called Wormhead. Big rock out here. I'll show you that in a sec. Looks like a worm's head. Something strange anyway. We'll soon see it. It's a beautiful day. Been lucky. Weekend off. Making the most of it. Got the shorts on. Bit of practice walking. Get the blood pumping. Oh yeah. Right, so this is what I've come to see down here. Wow. Big cliff. Yeah boy. And there is the worm's head. Right there. The worm's head. Wonder if you can walk out there. Are there people up there? I think you can. I might just give it a go. I wonder if you can get out there. That'd be a good spot to hit the drone, that's for sure. Wow. Right near the edge. Look at that. Nice, got a nice chilled spot here. I've just had the drone up, chilling out. It's sort of like a little cove. I'm sat here and as I look out, that's my view. On the cliff edge. With the worm's head to my left. Nice. A bit of excitement there with the horses. I could have sat down here for absolute hours looking out into space, but I want to go back, get my drone batteries charged and get to another waterfall. Nice, nice chicken and rice. So Tricky's doing something a little bit different today for the members only channel. Here we go. Tricky's got in Wales, in nature. I've just finished work. There's some nature, look, horses and that. And there's somewhere here that I saw quite close to where Greg is, about 20 miles. I've come to get some drone footage. I'm not going to tell you what it is until you see it. Anticipation. I'm learning about that. Oh, got a path. I don't know if you can hear what I can hear. But this is one of the highest somethings in the UK. It's just up the road from Greg's. Wow. Oh my god, I've just got my first glimpse of it. It's just in there, look. Have you guessed what it is yet? Come on, Tricky. We're going to one of the biggest waterfalls in the UK. Yeah, boy. can't remember the name of it. Fuck me, I tell you, it's a long way down there. That's a proper long way down there. I'm like getting the legs warm. It's going to be a warm one going back up, that's for sure. Look. Up the hill. Down the hill. Oh man. Got a bit of a stream going on here. I've got to the bottom of the hill now. Now I'm walking along. Trying to find what the inevitable. Wow, I can hear it going. Oh, we've got a bridge. Build a bridge. Because it's like 5 o'clock. Wow, it's gone 5 o'clock at night. So there might not be that many people here. Look at that. Yeah, boy. Now we're doing the steps. Just on all these steps. Coming along a path. I think we're getting close. Oh my God, I have never seen a waterfall like this before in my life. Wow. Whew. Look at that. Oh my God, I'm the only person here. Wow. You would not believe this. I'm the only person here. Look. Oh my God. How the hell have I landed with this? In the UK, in Wales. Time to get the drone up in the air. Come on. Wow guys. I've got my drone up in the air. And look where I am. I'm underneath the waterfall. Come on. Look at that. Go on the drone. Yes. How crazy was that? Having that all to myself. Powerful. That's mad. Cool, that was good timing. I just passed about 10-15 people. Well, 10 people and kids going down there, so I had my opportunity to get my footage before anyone was in the way. Jackpot. Happy about that for sure. Should we get this bridge? I don't know whether to fly my drone under this bridge. Nah, there's a bit of foliage in that down there. I ain't gonna risk it. I can't afford to buy another drone. Oh, but there's a little bit of falls down there, but I ain't gonna try it. Look in there. It's like I'm hungry for shots. David Bailey. Where's the zebras? Oh God, I've got that massive hill to climb now. Here we go, Hutchie, saying I'm gonna say to you, I'm doing some training, bro. Up the hill. Go on, son. Get them legs moving, Tricky. Work 'em. Work it, baby. Fuck. Help. Send help. Well, bang, I made it. Come on. Wow, that was awesome. Hopefully you guys will really enjoy the footage I put from that into my year video, and you guys will have seen where I took it. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Pow. Sketchy road. Oh, sketchy road. Tiny, thin, narrow road. Ugh. Don't know what's coming around the corner road. Oh, open bit of road. Woo! Fly the drone bit of road, do you reckon? Beautiful countryside road. Hairpin bend, hey! Which way are we going? This way? Yep. Look at that. That waterfall's just down the road, and then you're out here in the fields. South Wales. Who would have thought it? Big one.